Are we live? Okay. Yo, what's up? What's up? It's your boy LBK Rosani Africa. You know what it is. We are back with another bang. It's episode number 8. You know what it is. So, if no one touches us, because we are from Matomone. So, there's been like a heist here in Madombija. Like, but this heist, I'm going to Madombija. So, let me just give you like a full story of what happened. So, there is this guy. So, I know him, like, he's a nigga who we went to the same school. So Rojanesh Kroshiti, like, so I just know him. So, nga Friday, so we were coming back from town. So, we Rodia lived Tikataman from Lois to Madombeja. So, Daman or Ramesa Guru. So, just like, okay, wa kunamira Guru, Yartun Guru Yaniti, Namtune, like, I was not sure in the end. So musirishi kama anameza musirishi kama dombija mulino mudombija ndiye ndikumona ndidama nolanda vele ndiyamcapha ngongona sure andafira. So Saturday morning, I think around uma 10 anepa, like this, like unasuzoitea umadombija oitea mini kwambe ufuna guru yotunchiwawo side dzapudhari, like pudhari ndi side hanepo yatunchiwa yadzivaita honi yatura honi yapeside kutura honi. So funa guru ya GD6, like the same car ya Guzbela GD6 yoita mini yotura nambe nazvori kufiguru ifi yotura handosiko maybe ndi vamwe vatu maybe vakupa umwe fhethu waijeka something. So musi ite obviously zvitori dhopesera zviwana. So hela guru iyi yotunchiwa ngamapurisa then yarudza control then yatora rubondo rwanepala pudhari then ndiye vatu yavo vafarwa. So vava va3 kungwana. So upiwa tsva I don't know kuti chelede yohwaniwa kana aingohwaniwa ndizvoendatidivi apo ndonikhongwana. So ava vhathu vho fariwa kana upfi tshelede ya hone upfi vha vho i wana nga side dza Mara ndiye vha idea hone then vha vhuya nayo hafhanoni. But I was shocked because of I thought upfi ungari huna vhavhili vho shavhaho vho dzhena vhuḓakani. But literally I saw some statements kha dzi Facebook nga hanefha, like from a reliable source i khou amba zwa uri mini vhoṱhe vho fariwa. Just that nṋe a thi ngo kona u ya nge zwithu zwa itea hone, but literally ndo zwi vhona zwithu zwoṱhe zwe zwa itea hafhaḽa fhethu. So I guess vhathu vha khou nyaga tshelede mamuna ndi January, but I don't understand why Dimana a tshi khou ita zwithu so because of not so long ago before Dimana a tshi renga heneyo GD6 ye ya thula ngayo, ndi goloi ye ya khou ita mini u khou amba upfi Dimana o wana mini o wana dzi tender. So right now I don't understand uri how come hu tshi nga pfi oyo muthu o wana u tender right now u khou dia dzi heist khongwana, like literally in my mind a zwi make sense. I don't know uri ṱhaṅwe maybe ungavha ro vha ri sa ḓivhi maybe dzi heist zwinthu dzi tendara dza dzi khou ḓa nga dzi tshotsho nga dzi bribe or maybe ho vha uri tshelede maybe a tshi khou i nyaga maybe for u shumisa zwiṅwe zwithu maybe ṱhaṅwe hu na zwithu zwe a vha khou nyaga u zwi shumisa. But literally I don't know uri hu itea mini, mara tshine nda tou tshi ḓivha ndi tsha uri Dimani o fariwa. And I guess this is a big case, bro, like case ya hijack is a big case. Robbery is a big one. I feel like vha ḓo dzula nyana ṱhaṅwe vha ḓo dzula nyana ndi ḓo vha ndi sa ḓivhi ṱhaṅwe vha ḓo dzula nyana, mara I feel like vha ḓo dzula nyana vha ḓo thoma ya vha vhaisa for u senga khongwana. Trial ndi yone ine I feel like ndi yone ine ya ḓo vha vhaisa fhedzi hezwi zwiṅwe maybe vha ḓo vha sharp but dzhele e dzheliwa vhavha wai, mara zwithu zwi khou itea so because of if na nga tshekha mna na hanefha kasi like kasi yanga literally huna vhathu vhanzhi vho fariwaho, like literally miṅwaha hu thinayo vhanzhi vha ḓivha nga Spoti na he was literally arrested for rape. So I don't know uri kupfi mini. So heya uthi na tshiṱori tshayo natsho a tshi pfhali, mara I guess ngari yo bva zwino nga peli because of ndo mu vhona lini but o vho humela nga ngomu. So 2024 ro tou dzhena nga dzi case fhedzi, like literally if you can check Sonia Mbele's son is being o farelwa for rape. If you don't, Sonia Mbele ndi ḽa we a tshi ita Avon, I think it's Avon or Lux, yeah Lux, yeah, if you know Lux huna muḽa muthu a tshi ita Lux back in the days when we were still young. So ndi yene Sonia Mbele honouḽa. So she's her son he's arrested for abuse or something, mara something like that ngongwana. Yo, Musa Khawula is back in jail. Just that Musa Khawula talk too much. I feel like Musa Khawula name o amba but o amba nga vhathu vha wrong. That's how I felt. Ndi zwine nda zwi vhonisa zwone. I feel like o amba ende amba nga vhathu vha wrong, then they are really dealing with him. It's the same thing with Nota. I feel like Nota naye he was talking about people, but there was a certain time where he talked about people who is not supposed to talk about. You know what I'm saying? That's why ukuite zvine zvikuita kanota nkongwana. So I guess nene munenota, hey, I don't know uri zvine havakazoudzisani literally, hey, this in a shame, like literally, oh, nduri, like, I feel like he's fighting for his life, you know. I feel like Nota is fighting for his life. No one, just that, even, yes, we can say in this, KO, but I don't think like this is because of KO or what. I feel like he just mess with the wrong people by always talking, you know. So I feel like they are coming at him like, we want to destroy you, we'll make you regret playing with us, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like it's the music industry, the big bosses, the people who run the music industry here in South African corner. And I feel like it's the people in the radio stations, because of Nota was the first one to talk about the airplays, how airplays are being played. I feel like it was back in the days when I don't know which song did Questa had, because of Nota was the manager of Questa. So I didn't know, but he had a hit. Ungwana. I think it's Ngudu or something. But he had a hit. When he had that hit was not playing on radio. So Nota was the first one to talk about it, like literally to even wrote statements to go there to tell them like, yo, bro, like we have a hit. You're not paying us. You're not paying us. You're not paying us. So it's a certain time they started playing them. Even vhathu vanji vatomowana dzi airplay nnzhi dzavho dzosa tshotovha na payola like that one. So I don't know uri zwithu zwi so khayo hu ḓo vha ho ya baba ḽa vhathu na vhe vha a vha a khou vha misa pa tshila tshifhinga. Mara maybe ungavha u vhona just that game i tough, a i nyagi muthu ane a vha khou i fhufhela nga nṱha muṅwe. Because of, if na nga vha ni khou i fhufhela nga nṱha, hey, they will deal with you, these people. They will deal with you. Just look at SABC. Even SABC, it's not about to maybe. Nah, I don't believe in it. I feel like SABC, there are certain people who we crossed. Bro, those people will deal with you. These people with power, they will deal with you. They will deal with you. I don't know how those people deal with, and they just wait, or they plan a trap for you. You won't even notice that is there. They'll destroy you. Oh, alright. Nice people. Let's move on. So, what else did I want us to talk about? Yo, bro, there's that guy called Gogo the Rocker. Their name is his name is Gogo the Viper. Yeah, Gogo the Viper. Yeah. So, bro, that man is doing a one man show. Like literally, he's doing a one man show. And if you can check, out of all of the bad companies, out of a bad company, I'm talking about the literal bad company, both of this General Manies or Small T, Small Beast. There is Panisha, and there's that other one who I don't know what is his name. So even bad company should have even done their own shows. You know, it's just that I don't know if bad company are they under a management or are they independent. That's what I don't know, confessor. So, but Rocket the Viper is really doing it. Ngabo December nge ngirona kuri sumbedza uri mini tshelede yavha khou badelwa nga dzigigi o vha khou ya tshivhea tshifhaṱa khou vhea tshelede ri na ro vhona khou imisa nnḓu. So that's nice ngongwana, ndi zwiṅwe zwine ra vha ri khou zwi nyaga zwino khou ita one man show. And dzi rumors ndi dza uri he paid Chevy Shit 100k to come and perform. 100k. You know what I'm saying? So that means that show is expected to make money. If they can pay Chevy Shit 100k, I bet you just imagine. I think ticket is 150. How many people? Because it's a hall, that place. It's a hall. So how much do you think? How many people do you think will be inside? Let's say 500 people times 500. Let's say 500 times 200. How much is that money? There's other. There is cost for stage sound, many things. You know, lights. You know. So hey, bro, I feel like he has sponsor. It's just that I don't know who is sponsoring that event, but whoever is sponsoring that event, like, literally is doing what is supposed to be done. No, this one has to name Charles. That is the Benny. It's just that to make a show of your own cost a lot. but zvina mbuyelo nnzhi nkhoṅwana, zvina mbuyelo nnzhi blind. If a show goes to be a successful show, zwi vha na mbuyelo nnzhi nkhoṅwana. So I don't know uri if zwi so uḽa munna show ya khou ita, I guess a wane zwi sponsora mara ene a nga balelwa u vha na zwine zwa ḓo mbuyela kha show, I don't think uri zwi nga bala because of he's a well-known artist. So I guess he can approach some, some sponsors there and there. But I feel like there will be some sponsors who will sponsor him. But it's one of the good things seeing like people like your God and they're like doing amazing stuff because of those type of people who grew up in the streets, like people in the community used to even think that they will never make it in life because of how they live, how they feel like. I guess most of the people think like they just behave the way they behave because of how things are going. It's not like that, bro. Like just that if you are not in the situation of that person, won't imagine what will you do. Kungwana. Ni nga wana so ya Gugu o vha sa iteli zwayani, he has to man up, maybe a kha ḓi vha kha age ya vho 30. And obviously if you have to most of the time if you have to man up at the age of 13, 14, you had no mindset, you are no good in mindset. That's why you will always, most of the time you will find those type of people going to your robbery, doing some petty stuff of crime. So I guess most of the time it's where you grow up. It's even how the universe was created. I feel like it was created like that. So you just have, even if you need to be successful in some time, you need to have a sacrifice in your life. Because if you don't have that sacrifice, how come is that a success? And if when we're saying sacrifice, we're talking about a huge sacrifice. We're not talking about the sacrifice of yourself, killing people. We're talking about maybe let's say you had a job, quit a job, you are in school, quit a school. You know, that's what we call sacrifices. Putting in the work. Maybe let's say being in studio for 10 hours, just recording songs. Those songs you upload them, you make them go in maybe in YouTube. And when they go there, you only find maybe 50 views. In Spotify, maybe let's say you just got 500 streams, 1,000. That's where we say you are making the sacrifice. When nobody's seeing your hard work and you're putting your hard work, no one is watching it. That's when we call that's sacrifice. That's where we will see the outcome, the good success. That's where it comes from. So I don't know. We just wish the best for all for Coco Denzel for what he's doing. You know what I'm saying? He's putting even Venda on the map, bro. Like literally, he's putting us on the map. So we just have to say shout out to Coco Denzela. Shout out to you. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to you. Another story. There was this podcast that came, like it's like a reality show of Nandi and Nagai. Yo, bro. I guess us as fans of AKA, even me, bro, like, yes, I can say we have accepted that AKA is gone, but literally we still miss him. I just feel pity for Nandi and Nagai. Like, how will she be feeling? You know what I'm saying? Like, literally, like, will she ever find peace? Will Nandi and Nagai ever find peace? Like, I'm talking about, like, be accept like yo that bro is gone, bro, like literally, will she ever be healed? I feel like she will never be healed. That's how I feel it, bro. Like I feel like AKA got killed at the moment where Nadia Nagai really wanted someone with her, really wanted to have a stable relationship, really wanted to have kids, you know what I'm saying, have a home. You know what I'm saying? And that person maybe just was, yo, I'm going this and this and this and this. And that person go left, never come back. And at the same time, you never find a person who killed that person. there are some aspects, yo, who did it, who did it, who did it. You can imagine the pain of that person. You can imagine. So I just hope Nadia and a guy one day maybe she can find peace, you know. And I saw some comments, even some other people saying, "Yo, you gotta move on. Just you gotta find someone, bro." It's not easy to find someone, even though it's 3 years since he left us, bro. It's 3 years or 4 years. It's not easy, bro. It's not easy because many people, even in the industry, can't be with it. They will be like, "Yo, this girl was dating who? Was dating my nigga. He was my nigga. That's why I will never date you." You know, certain stuff. So just have hopefully to ever find peace. Even we saw even Casper even playing his song. Just that I guess those things will never matter, bro. Like when he was still alive, you guys were, you never meant see. Even though when he died, the beef was no longer that big, but you will still, feel some type of way about each other. But I guess it's unless voice was because of he's gone now. What will we do? Yo, and there is this girl, what is her name? Mzile. Like, literally, what does Mzile do? Like, literally, what does she do? Because of, I go to a YouTube channel. She got like songs. Those songs are like way back 2015, 2014. Okay, she doesn't do music. In a page, like, what I see is only her wearing bikinis, wearing panties, wearing G. I don't know what she do, bro. Like, is she an influencer, a model? What does she do, bro? Like, we just see her, like, in the faces of, like, I don't know what does she do, bro. Literally, I don't know. Like, she's not a rapper. She's always in the gigs, bro. Like, you can't understand. Is she a host, an MC? I don't know, bro. Like, I don't understand why she is. Bro. Like, if someone here in the comment section could just tell us, like, what does Mzile do? Like, what does he do? Like, literally, this person like, because they understand the DJ isn't just she's a DJ. What does you do? Wait, near DJ. Are you an influencer? Are you a brand ambassador? What do you do, bro? Like, I haven't seen her. Like, yes, you can see her in Era because Era is DJ Zinche. So, yes, there we can see her. Because of last time I checked, she was DJ Zinche's social media manager. I think it was for Instagram or Twitter, something there. So right now, I don't know, bro. What does he do? I don't know. Zile, what does he do? Maybe someone in the comment section could tell us what does he do. Kongwan, she could tell us. Other story I wanted us to talk about. Yo, Vanyai. Venda, if you can check Venda, Venda every year, we have that type of a person. Kongwan. Rina mutu. Kongwana. Ene hoyo mutu, hoyo mwa wawo rade maybe ngasusu imwe. Last year I guess it was Germany's year. Hoyo mwa wa Germany kongwana. Olani rari kodhisilwa vonyi. No Hendriki, Lego. Kongwana. Every time ridhiwa soko vanonhora mutu muswa mutii ane udhodha rasoko manga. So there is this guy called Vanyai. He was, I don't know what he was doing in Crocodile. Kanda kana vakotoipunga. Mara vapedzisira vakauya viral ngenyaya yekuti and hezvila zvithu vathu vanji they are not kuzvidyera ntha. Zvilo zvingavadyisa jeri because of that is animal discharge what. You know, it's like abusing animals. You can't do that to an animal. Even if it's a crocodile, you can't do that. They will come and arrest you, bro. Like this is South Africa. This is there is laws. There are people who deal with those kind of stuff. There are people who will see you and come and charge you and open a case against you and say, "Yo, bro, this guy is doing this, this, and this, and this, and this is not allowed." is abusing. Vha mangala vha khou tou dzhena nga zwiṅwe zwithu zwiṱukuṱukuṱukuṱukuṱukuṱuku. Zwiṅwe zwithu zwine vha even no humbulela uri ezwi nda nga dzhena ngazwo dzhele. Vha tou mangala na vhone vhono nga nḓilaḓe hezwi zwithu zwo ndzhenisa dzhele vhana vhashu, nga nḓilaḓe. How come? U wana, so ndi u tou zama u humbula sometimes ri tshi ita zwithu uri heiḽa zwithu zwa so a zwi sokou itiwa, hu na zwithu zwo itiwa na zwithu zwi sa itiwi u khou ṅwana. So vhanyai vha ḓo dzhena khomboni vha bala nga maanḓa, nahone zwikipa ho no rengiwa zwingana zwa vhanyai ngori ndi tshe ndo ḓo vhona vhone vho zwiambara. So ri khou tea u sokou renga zwikipa zwo ṅwaliwa u pfhi vhanyai zwa fhedza zwa sumbedziwa crocodile, zwa sumbedziwa na tshienda ha pfhi 300 vhanyai vha khou tshantsa mai vha khou ri tsantsela vhana vhashu. Ndi khwine ndi tou ḽasa nga R50 hune ndi yo renga made in Venḓa u ṅwana, kana ndi ḽase nga 200 ndi yo renga the Mizophil official u khou ṅwana, Mizophil official u khou ṅwana, zwine nda ḓivha zwo ri ndi quality mamungana. Kana ndi ḓi yele kha ḽiṅwe shopho hanefha ndi songo ndi dobe tshikipa apeni ni ḓo wana zwithu zwa hone thaidzo ri ḓo ya ra renga zwa zwikipa zwi khou fhela na trend u khou ṅwana. Tshikipa tsha hone u tshi aina tshi ita heiḽa printhara ya kukumuwa. So a si zwithu zwine ri nga ri ḓo ya ra zwi renga mavhana. Vhanyai a vha ḓe na iṅwe nḓila, a vha create iṅwe content, a vha dzule phanḓa founu vha zame u creator maybe vha zame u amba. A vha create page kha Facebook hafho vha ite dzi reels dzi ḓo vha badela ṱhaṅwe dzi ḓo vha ḓela na zwiswa u khou ṅwana. Mara hezwiḽani zwa zwikipa na nga pfhi ri khou vha buka gigini vha khou ḓo itani, vha ḓo ḓa na ngwenda vha i vhea hafhaḽa vha vha khou sokou i kanda kanda. Kha vha ḓe na zwiṅwe vhanyai, vhanyai kha vha ḓe na zwiṅwe, kha vha ḓe na zwiṅwe vhanyai. So tshiṅwe tshithu tsho iteaho, there is no more Bloemanathi, there's no more Bloemanathi, Bloemanathi is no more u khou ṅwana. So ra tshekhiḽa uri ri status tsho ri Bloemanathi will no more be available at Shuma Park. Vhane vha sa ḓivhi Bloemanathi is a Sunday show, Sunday event ine i itea hafhaḽa Shuma Park hune most of like zwibodo so nyana ho tou chileksiwa khou wana nga Sunday, u ḽiwa sound u khou ṅwana, u lidziwa, u takaliwa, u tou chileksiwa hu na sound, hu khou ḓa vhaimbi ha ḓa vhaimbi u khou ṅwana, most like Snap Sunday u khou ṅwana. So I guess there is a problem with the event owners, maybe they want some money, that's how I feel. Maybe ṱhaṅwe thendelano yavho yo thoma maybe ṱhaṅwe uri for the first maybe 4 months. Yes, that's how I thought. Maybe ṱhaṅwe uri until 2025 ends ri ḓo vha ri khou ita Bloemanathi hanefha, maybe ḓo wana u dzhia share so na so na so na ri khou ita so na so na so, ri khou dzhia vhugai vhugai. Maybe ṱhaṅwe zwino vha khou pfha uri maybe they need to consider the terms and conditions and then vho ri vha tshi zwi ita then vha khou zwi feel uri hai maybe zwine vha khou ḓo zwi wana after cause to a zwi khou ṱangana maybe for vha ita for profit. So that's why I feel like that's why maybe vha khou vhona uri vha khou ḓo tshintsha mini. So now I feel like hu na zwiṅwe zwithu zwine ene muṋe na ene muṋe ra tsha khou ri vhudza zwone because of there is always the other side of the story and always artist ndi yone victim tshifhinga tshoṱhe hu tshi ḓiwa kha tshitshavha hafho hu tshi ḓo ambiwa always artist hu vha hu yone victim. A hu na ḓuvha na ḽithihi ḽine ḓo wana artist is yone victim, maybe hu khou amba uri yone ndi yone yo khakhelaho event owners. Every time hu tea u dzula hu artist ine ndi yone victim yo khakheliwa nga event owners because of dzi event owners most of the time a si vhathu vhane vha ḓo ita mini, vha ḓo ri vho ita zwithu zwa so vha fhedza vha ita mini, vha ṱuwa vha khou ḓa kha riṋe tshitshavhani uri vhudze uri mini, so wo itea zwithu zwa so. That is why ni khou vhona mini event heyi i si tsheo khou ṅwana. Vha nga si ṱwe havha ndi vhathu vhane vha nga si ṱwe vha khou zwi amba hezwo zwithu u ṅwana, mara ri artist because of artist always i tea u vha i khou bvisa zwithu nnḓa, maybe u tea u releaser public statement, ni ḓo wana a tshi khou amba hezwo zwithu ende riṋe because of ri dzi fan dzawe heyo nthu Bloemanathi uri ri i ḓivhe is because of nyi honoyo muthu na riṋe ri ḓo ita mini, ri ḓo mu tikedza ra ri mini yo sure a hu na mini, a hu na vhuthada vha Shuma Park vha place havhaḽani ndi vhone vho itaho mini, ndi vhone vho khakhaho and if na nga tshekha most of the time ni nga wana hu si vhone vho khakhaho Umini uracha. Mara because of racha ndi racha anga nyage unyago thetshelesa even arine ri ḓo pfa u feel maybe ri ḓo feel some type of way. Ni ḓo wana ri tshi vho ri mini na racha si ene o khakhaho. Muthu o khakhaho ndi nnyi? Ndi vha event. Ende vha event ni wane vha songo khakha tshithu ngo wana mara rine ra ri mini ndi vhone vho khakhaho ngori ri ita mini vha event no vha organize na no vha ḓivha ri vhaḓivhi ri ḓivha ene muṋe ratsha ṅwana ngori ndi ene o ri ḓivhisaho iḽa event. So net feeling na statement hetshiḽa tsha ratsha tshintshini tshi na mafhungo o fhelelaho tshi ḓo vha PR kha ṅwana ndi PR ine i khou shumisiwa ende zwi so zwi vha zwi khou mu luzisa na dzi contacts kha dzi event because of dzi event owners ndi vhathu vhathihi vha a ḓivhana. Just that thi ratsha nae ndi muhulwane so he has a voice so yeah. I guess ṱhaṅwe zwi ḓo itea dzi release dza this week ndi dzifhio? A hu ngo vha na release like I was hoping maybe hafha venḓa ri ḓo release track nyana a i ngo vha hone. Next week Friday ratsha yo GR Player na Saturday they are releasing so I saw some comment ya uri Racha Kill na yo GR Player and Saturday they are releasing ne. Also Makazi is releasing Maharab. So people are saying how will the song trend when Maharab is being out? Like bro, there is room for everyone, bro. Even if Makazi is releasing, if you can release the album will trend, bro. Like literally, this way. I don't know if the album will trend ngori new release. Hayi. Thi track muthu wa thetshelesa track dza Makazi a tshi thetshelesa track ya Makazi a thetshelesa iḽani. Habe ndi zwezwo fhedzi. So nathi feel nathi vhoni unga huna thaidzo. Vhone vhaṋe vha fhethu vha ḓo tou vhona zwa uri vha ḓo itisa hani. If track i na marketing and the track i tshi khou dia, it will always find a way to maneuver. Even if hu na muthu muhulwane a khou ntshaho track ṅwana hu na artist khulwane ine ri khou zwi pfha uri heyi artist ndi khulwane kha ṅwana ende nangwe i khulwane if track i hit ni nga si stop noma because of the media doesn't mean anything. What means a lot is the streets. If the streets love it, that means it's off. If the streets love the song is gonna be a hit. If the streets love it, then it's off. Come on. So the ones are there, but I guess the sharp track are not mean. And the KO was supposed to drop an album. I guess it's not releasing an album. And who else was supposed to drop? Karishma was also supposed to drop. It's not dropping. Who else was supposed to drop? Who else? Yeah, there was certain people who were supposed to drop. I guess they didn't drop. So maybe time about to release the music. Yeah, we don't know. About to release that. Then we'll just have to see what we'll do it. I mean, so today is Sunday. When will this episode come out? I feel like this episode will came out. I think today. Yeah, because of our edit. Then after editing, then yeah, I think this episode will come out today. You know what I'm saying? So I feel like today will be the day where the episode will come out. You know what it is? It's your boy LPK Rosani Africa. We are back with another bang. We are out of here. Shout out.